how to get the iPhone to identify the name of the song from the control center on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen, and then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we go down and then tap on Control Center. After that, we scroll down and tap on Music Recognition. Tap on the Add button, so that will get added to the Control Center. Now after that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen, and from your home screen or on any screen, simply swipe down at the top corner on the right hand side to open up the Control Center. Then tap on the Music Recognition icon, and this will allow the phone to go into listening mode, so it will try to recognize any song that is currently playing and will identify the name of the song for you. Okay, so to hear the song or to find the name of the song, so I'm going to swipe down and then tap on that, Shazam, and then I'm going to play a song right here. And here you can see it find Spring in My Step, and that is the name of the song. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.